Welcome to this video. Today we will explore the basic components of how adults learn and train through a method called adult learning theory. Here, we will review the following. What is adult learning theory? Types of learners, and how to combine training that will benefit each learning style. Have you ever heard the word andragogy? No, it's not the name of a character from medieval times. It's the science of how adults learn and the basis for all learning and development best practices. It's the adult learning theory. There are three basic types of learning styles adults have: kinesthetic, auditory, and visual. Let's explore these learning styles further. Kinesthetic learners are hands-on. They learn best when they move and physically interact with the training. The best kind of training for them involves role-play, practice, or any other practical learning approach. Visual learners connect with the training they see, so they would pay more attention to nonverbal cues, charts, graphs, and other visual aids. Auditory learners remember the things they hear. Training that involves dialogue or audio presentations would be more engaging for the auditory learner. Let's get into the other side of this concept, training methods. There are three types of basic trainings you need to know. The first method works well with visual learners. It includes using lectures, videos, or other methods that require little interaction. This is known as passive training. The second method would work well for auditory learners. It includes facilitation, which is interactive rather than lecturing, but doesn't involve much participation from the learner. Just like a class you would attend in school, a teacher facilitates a topic to the learners. This includes questions and answers, case studies, and simulations. This is known as active training. The third method works well with kinesthetic learners. This involves physically practicing what they just learned in the lesson. Think of this as what you might go through during an on-the-job training, where you are practicing what you learn hands-on with real-world scenarios. This is known as experiential training. Want to learn about a different topic? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss a thing.